In this next problem, we are finding the sum of our geometric series. So if we look at the sum formula here, what we're given, this is the sum of 1 through 5. So we really don't need to use a special formula for this one. You could just go through and find values 1 through 5 and then add them together. So that would probably be easier than using your sum formula in this case. So you have 1/3 times 2 to each term, so we'll go through this. So 1/3 times 2 to the first is going to be 2/3. 1/3 times 2 squared, so that's going to be 4. 1/3 times 4 would be 4/3. 1/3 times 2 to, I don't know why I just did that, 2 cubed is going to be, that's 8, so 8/3. 1/3 times 2 to the fourth. 2 to the fourth is 16, so that's going to be 16/3. And then 1/3 times 2 to the fifth that's 32, so 32/3. Okay, so what we want to do here, let's see, is we're going to add these together. So since they all have a common denominator, you're just adding the numerators. So 2, let's see, 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. So 62 over 3. That's all I gotta do for that one. Next one, find the common ratio. So remember, for a geometric sequence, it's either being multiplied or divided. So if we look at this, well, we say it's actually being multiplied. If it's being divided, we use a fraction. So we're going to find the ratio. You're going to go a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So in this case, let's see, you've got a sub 2 is 3/16 divided by a sub 1, 3/4. So in our dividing fractions, we're going to keep the 3/16. We're going to change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip this guy. So it's going to be 4/3. So these 3's are going to cancel, and that's going to be 4/16, which is going to be 1/4. So our common ratio here is 1/4.